All class is in session, y'all. Let's get into this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the Westafrican Queen. It is I, the one and only. Let me turn my light on real quick because I'm feeling myself. No foundation, just lashes and some eyebrows done. But anyway, for today's video, your girl decided to do a 2021. Hold on, let me catch my breath. Okay, for today's video, I'm doing a 2021 vision board. I have never done this before, and I felt like I is getting older and I need to, you know, start manifesting things that I want for my life, things I want for my family, things I want to change about myself. So y'all gonna, you know, come with me and watch me do this vision board. I really highly suggest that you guys do it too. I'm just gonna go through it and the setup is like right here, so we're gonna get that started. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed for more content, and I'm gonna just put a plug. I did this hairstyle on my channel and it's still flourishing. I just did this cute hairstyle. I did not do my edges, so excuse that. But if you want to see how I did this hair, go to my previous video and I'll have it actually in the cards above me. So I think it's this way, I don't know, it'd be confusing, but make sure to check it out too. So we're gonna get it started. Excuse the mess, I was trying to find clothes to wear today because I want to take pictures, and maybe there's a video gonna be out for that, but let's get into this video. So I hope you guys can see me well. Is this even a good angle, bruh? I don't know if it is. Okay, so we are actually chilling on this side of my room. But anyway, the first thing you're gonna need before you actually do this vision board is to write down your goal for 2021. I went in on my notes, and I'm probably gonna blur it out because some are kind of personal. I'm gonna share some with you guys, but I can do this. I had my goals for did I say 2020? That's ghetto. Okay, let me do this again. So before I got started with this vision, of course I wrote down my goals for 2021, and you definitely have to do that before you get started on this, because how you gonna do all this if you don't write down your goals? So I wrote down my goals, and in my notes section, so these are the goals. If it's gonna focus, I wrote for 2021, and then after doing this, I went on Pinterest to find ideas and to find pictures that are associated with my goals for 2021. I didn't even print out a 2021 word, but you know what, I can write that out, I can decorate it. So after doing that, I went on Pinterest and I found some pictures, and I actually, not my battery dying, this is, thank God I have it back up. Anyway, so I went on Pinterest, I saved some pictures, and you can save the pictures to your phone. So I did that and I printed out these. I would suggest don't really go to Walmart because the quality from Walmart, to be honest, is trash. You can go to Walgreens or CVS to get it printed, and after you get it printed, then you can just get also a poster board. I was really trying to get like a really cute cork board, but I went to like 3 different stores and they didn't have it, and I was not about to waste my time and money to do it. So I just got a regular poster board. I'm going to lay these out before I actually get to, you know, not permanently, to actually taping it on the board. But I'm just gonna go through with you guys what each picture means. Some are self-explanatory, but if you don't get it, I'm gonna explain it. But yeah, we're gonna get started into it. Let me change my battery real quick. But y'all, this hairstyle's so cute. I was really about to take this hair down, but you know what, I'm gonna save it for one more week, and then we're gonna switch it up. Something cute or whatever. No foundation, baby, no foundation. I'm breaking up, but no foundation, just eyebrows, eyelashes, and lip gloss. Okay. So I don't remember where I left off, but I think I said like gold print stuff from Amazon. Am I okay? So I'm actually gonna lay out my pictures first, and then we're gonna see how that goes. So as you can tell over here, I have all my pictures laid out everywhere, and people can see me through my window, but anyway, so I'm actually going to randomly do this. I got some background, so you might also want to download some background, like vision board backgrounds, just to fill in the board, because you don't want like too many words and too many pictures on there, if that makes sense. But we're actually going to get started. So the first thing that I got here, it says consistency, and of course this year I just want to be really consistent with my YouTube. Not even just consistent about YouTube, but just be consistent in anything that I'm trying to put my mind to, or in anything that I'm trying to do. So definitely the first thing is going to be consistency right here. I don't know if I want to cut it, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna put that like right here. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me scoot y'all back a little bit. So then another thing that I got is saying grow through what you go through. Last year was very, like, it was a pivot point low-key for me regarding my mental health and stuff like that. So I definitely, you know, it makes sense. Grow through what you go through. I'm gonna cut this definitely because I don't like the back black background. I'm going to just like, I'm gonna sort it out, and I'm gonna put it before I'm gonna explain it. So if that makes sense. This is what I have so far. It's not taped down, but I just wanted to make sure I place it like nicely. I'm gonna put probably 2020 up there, but I'm gonna actually tape this right now, and then I'll go through and explain to y'all what some of these things on here mean. I'm not gonna go through everything, but I'm definitely going to go through some of these things. Completed it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's finally done, and I'm actually going to like put it somewhere and go through some of the things on here. My face is right here. Some of the things that are on here, explain some things to y'all, and but let me get y'all a close up There we go. But anyway, let's get into it. Y'all, class is in session, y'all. So let's just get right into some of the things that are on this poster. The first thing I wanted to point out is I actually printed something just said 2021. But from this side, I think I did go over the fact that I found this girl on Instagram and her body is just where I want to get my body to. So hopefully this year I can finally do that and trying to hold myself accountable. Of course, I want to be consistent, not just with YouTube, but just with life in general. I want to do my hair more this year, so definitely I put this little cute hairstyle. And the crazy thing is, I think my hair looks like that right now. So crazy, I didn't even realize that. But yeah, I want to be doing my hair more this year, so I just decided to add that. There's this quote that says, pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. You already know what's up. I'm not gonna go much into details about this one, but just know that I want to get something done, so hopefully that can also happen this year. And of course, my black is beautiful. Gotta make bank this year. I got goals, got things to do, so I put money right here. And of course I put the world map because I do want to travel the world this year. What else can we go through? One of the most important things, I want to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if y'all will help me out by also watching my content, sharing my content. I know I put a lot of work into my my videos, and I try to make it as good quality for y'all to enjoy. So I would really appreciate it if y'all share my content and we get more subscribers. Okay, what else? So where's the quote? I had a quote. Okay, I'm gonna just go back right here. This is the quote that I'm living by this year, which is rejoice always, pray continually, give thanks in all circumstances. So if you want to look that up, that's the Bible verse right there. But this is my Bible verse for this year. Let's just go over here. I want to start dressing better this year. I want to, you know, get into fashion more. So I put Ryan Destiny, that's how you say your name, and I just put some, of course, black girls dressing all cute. This is the motherland, and I shall be going there this year. And just, you know, a bunch of other things that's on here, but I just wanted to make it simple, and this is actually what it looked like, and I think it really do look cute. But this is just something that I wanted to do, and I decided to share it with y'all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Excuse my background, I was trying some clothes on, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's definitely more videos to come, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share it to your friends. And I will see y'all in my next video, y'all. Bye, y'all.